100 days of solving Flutter error, and this is day 15. So if you haven't watched previous 14 video, you have to watch them because you will learn a lot of things from those videos. You will learn to solve few errors. And if you don't know, I have started a Figma tutorial also, so you can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification at first. So here you can see I have got an error. It is saying that a value of type future string can't be written from the method build because it has a written type of widget. It is saying that the future string is not a type of a widget, it is not a part of a widget, right? So what we are trying to do is we are trying to fetch the data from this data service class, and here you can see which is a future means it will take some time to fetching the data, right? When you are creating a application like weather application, or you are trying to fetching data from API, you are trying to fetching data from Firebase, or anything else you are trying to fetching data, you have to use this future, right? This future will say that, hey, you fetching data will take some time, so I will handle this. So this future will fetch the data from API which take few time, right? So if anything in application, any data you are fetching from anywhere like API or Firebase, and if it take few times, you have to use this future. And there is this data service. In this data service class, we are trying to create a future string and trying to fetch data from here, right? And it is returning a hello world message, and we are trying to directly call this data service to our widget, right? So this error is occurred here because while the future is for the future, right, this isn't fetched it. So while this data is fetching, you can't show it directly to the widget or directly to your screen because it is not fetched yet. It will take time to fetch. So it is typically saying that the future is not a part of a widget. Future means it is not happened yet. It will take time to happen. Then you can show properly in your widget. So to resolve this issue, let me remove this and paste it here. Right. To resolve this, you have to initialize the data at first. This data service, you can see here I have initialized it using init state. It will initialize the data, fetch data from the API or anywhere, and it will show to our application. So while this is fetching the data, it will show the circular progress indicator to our application. Or you can use FutureBuilder also. FutureBuilder will take some will handle all the future type of operation in your application, like fetching data from the API, from the Firebase, and anywhere. So number one, you can use FutureBuilder to handle this while the data is fetching. You can show a loading progress indicator and so, or you can initialize using init state in your application. And remember, you have to use a stateful widget. Thank you.